Ever felt like you're navigating through a dense fog in the business world with no compass to guide you? Well, imagine having a beacon, a lighthouse that cuts through the fog and guides you safely to your destination. That, my friends, is the power of AI in today's business landscape. Welcome back to KTTP Inc. I'm Francois, your guide in this AI revolution. Now let's talk about our flagship product, the autonomous AI. This isn't just any AI, it's a game changer. It's like having a full-fledged team working 24/7, creating content, managing social channels, and engaging with customers. It's like having a sales rep who never sleeps, a coach who's always ready to train, and a customer service rep who's always there to help. But it's not just about replacing human tasks. It's about doing things that humans can't. Our AI can understand a prospect's background and craft messages that resonate perfectly with them. It's like having a sales rep who knows every customer personally, a coach who understands every trainee's strengths and weaknesses, and a customer service rep who remembers every interaction. In these uncertain times, AI is the beacon that can guide businesses through the fog. It's the lighthouse that can help you avoid the rocks and reach your destination safely. It's the compass that can help you navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of the business world. So if you're ready to adopt our autonomous AI for your business, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to guide you through the AI revolution and help you thrive in this new era. And if you want to stay updated with the latest in AI technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, in the world of business, the early bird catches the worm. And in the AI revolution, the early adopter catches the market. So, don't wait for the AI rush to pass you by. Be the beacon, be the lighthouse, be the compass. With our autonomous AI, you can be the guiding light in your industry. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating.